What?
She's breastfeeding a cat.
No, sir, breastfeeding is allowed here on this airline. We do allow this. Is not.
But it's a cat.
It's a cat.
It's not a child. It's not a baby. It's a cat.
Wait,
She's breastfeeding a cat.
He seems to think it's
A what? A cat.
Baby.
Yeah, that's our baby.
No, it's I
You have a cat?
No, I do not own the cat.
She's breastfeeding a cat. It's disgusting.
Please, I'm asking you. Just show me that you have a baby.
Go ahead, take the blanket off if you're that sure. He's filming you do this, by the way.
Yes, you gave him permission.
What?
He will take.
I
the
never
blanket
gave him
off.
permission.
You said go ahead and take the blanket off. So
It's a cat. It is a cat.
I
told you. I told you.
It's a lynx.
What?
She has a
Is
cat.
It's
that
an
a
emergency
She has a
service
cat.
animal, and it's a lynx, not a cat. There's a
lynx.
big difference.
There's a lynx. It's a
What
lynx.
is?
what is it?
It's an emergency service emotional support animal.
Oh,
Oh.
I believe that's
Well, that's
part of the
allowed.
regulation.
Yeah,
That's allowed.
that's allowed.
Okay.
That's all.
Oh, wow.
Oh.